another video. Today I'll be cutting this wig into a bob, so if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. Alright, so I knew I wanted to cut this wig from the moment I did it because it's really long. So I already did this one here just to test to see where I want the length to be. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna line this up and go for it. I think this is a good length, no? Alright, so I'm almost finished with one side. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Ciao!